Male, temesi tod beka, kaman tod beka, queen en content cha nek, wala ten chitenian ka Unity State. Cha talk kor couple 2 days ago, I think yeah 2 days ago. Cha de go de riatin but cha bit ko kwana ja goro what will happen mechi ne tono mechi kateniano. Machaka atago agan mano kontibeka ruwing area. Message da me ba work leaders no kon ta choro no leaders. Please dear look sharing da ko dong de ram share follow da je ka de kwar nuere tan dong tek ka jal ka ling dong de kana je. So many amade la de wa yeki long kamal Rauda de Kwar Unity State de la Tazloach ko is doing well. Cha ko gil that is a good thing. That is a good sign of leadership. Kwar mi jin kwar. Chi jin kwar gwate Lloyd Nathan. Kwar mi jin kwar chi jin kwar gwa den gorgano kwan karwada. A jin kwar jirika. Kweran la Georgia long gwa chi ne ku chika terik jala ja nyu do jilida ka ne de chola nuarti ador miling rogoro nuar linga ji michiling chi nuar che jiling michiling chi nuar che jugur michire ka chikanen bunuar gor menene dika bunuar gor milling malada abi lafgoda so bunuar beken chonkel gaji anchian politician. I'm just an artist, a proud South Sudanese citizens got nuarka mu concern ke community. So my point is da worker leaders ne can ne da konta activists don't take care of social media and all that. Michi dua toa kon china arwaj. Michi dua la toa ka chia mana kon wala kuji mi bina arwaj. Ba we shi nuare shi gana melel. Ka we mo jana jere Sudan long ka South Sudan. Cha kon na cha kon la ba attack cha ngan na kon cha kon cha kala mai. Tala ram la arwaj ten. La community wona ka leaders ne kan dia la kana bit. Especially leaders ne dial tenteka government ten kula wangda ko michi do togi community ka akala joda manda wolar niam la kana bit michi nuere chika jiene chika okuji mi chika dor chika no lel la gan man kon kana roj la kana wuchi she manda ne nuere chika ben chika bodor chika cross chika na me chika na belel ko community gwame michi rolut. So these people have to be put in law. But mi cha toga kon chiko na lar chema cha toga tel ram chirwach kaji community ka tel ram chirwach bada hanana yen kwar mi chi do to community dan mala ja la da niam men jek chu dan geje iyo chu kon do lel bo pel niam balat bad iyo cha ko lel dor cha bo pel niam cha balat bine dial bit about it. It mean manaka nuar binabit. Michi nuaranak binaroj. So chudan cha wajik ko bukon chudar yalaga bana yalaga kon. So anything that mugur kon bukon okay system mugo. Anything that michi happen. Chu anang amat. So akon muto da kon chi jawo baseline. Ko mu kon palu lane. Ba midi be cost tomorrow. Kabi anyoko we ye leader ni shine ye ling. Kashi a ling ne. Lianga ne bine ye ling. Chonga kel gane mite michi toka ne. Actually nuari chika ta against any leaders. Kan nuari to guriang machar, gurke riang machar, ko ngai kene there is something that Micha fulfill the rest of the people, the rest of the leaders. Kan Nuer dial de Chiriang Machar chicken guro. They feel like Temi Chiriang Machar che fulfill. That's why Chikora divide. Ka political ways. And a queer me chunga nega ga chunga talk. Ka chunga nega jireka la nega jabur 100%. I chant the likom. La jama kena. I chant the likom. Kala de talk a chunkel ganeku. La jagor kena. But me tiko me yang tiko me tedi. Kachi chunga ne, chi chunkel ganeku. Chaji bugor. Any lengane. So enemy told me to talk community ka. No matter chuaja larke, in case don't, for example right now, I could talk loga. Don't they yen bedio coca low, Rudy and Nwana GIO. Let them deal with the issue. No, ne talk and Judian Goraka ne Yamachar. Gurka Yamachar ko take and need can't fulfill. So malaria and a major, or in case don't if you feel like you ne talk and a recap. Well, ne talk and government. I don't have to talk about them because the government. No, government can work communities. Well, Kesa Sudanese communities. You now pelko government, you don't want to talk about it. Get you now pelko kaji Io, you don't want to talk about them. Can the al Kesa Sudanese? So, material Michitoka. Maybe I assume a baby daka. More of a chup kuja dom with you, dom the hero I tend to run with a chuptan. So, any Mala Roger, take action before it's too late. Otherwise, Charajalum, but come and hear point kill, don't kind of let clearly, but understand, be understand. I hope you all understand my point. Thank you so much.